Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use distinct keyword and group functions. Here we have three practices. Write a query to display number of distinct departments in employees table. So if we want to display the department IDs in employees table, we can write select department underscore ID from table employees, and we can run this select statement. And this is the department IDs in table employees. As we can see, there is duplicates values of department ID in table employees. If we want to count the department IDs from table employees, we can run select count department ID from table employees. It returns here 106 records. Without using distinct, count will count all department IDs, including the duplicates. If we want to remove the duplicates, we can use here distinct. So here, if we run this select statement, as we can see, we have 11 distinct department IDs or unique department IDs. So this is how to return the distinct department IDs in employees table. We have 11 distinct department IDs. The second practice, write a query to display number of distinct locations in departments table. The same idea here, we can write select location underscore ID from table departments. If you run this select statement, and it returns, as we can see, 27 records. As we can see here, there is duplicate values and location ID. So if we want to count the unique location IDs or distinct location IDs, we can use, in this case, distinct keyword inside the count function and run the select statement. And here we go, we have only 7 distinct location IDs in departments table. The last practice, write a query to display number of managers. Provide appropriate column alias for the column. So the same idea here, we can use select count distinct manager underscore ID from table employees. And here we go, we have 18 distinct manager IDs in table employees. So in this practice, we learn how to use distinct keyword and count group function to retain the number of distinct, not null values of a specific column. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.